Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Vertus Airdrop, how to check your Vertus allocation. Before, Vertus has already given us an update about the process. It says a snapshot of your balance will be taken 24 hours before listing. This was their update before. Now, pre-deposit, a few days before the snapshot, users will be able to choose their preferred exchange for automatic token deposit. This ensures a gas-free transfer. They say token will be distributed directly to the exchange you selected. So that was their update before. But today, they have come to tell us that you can now swap your token exchange on the Vertus app. So Vertus app swap exchange is now live, whereby you can sell and buy Vertus directly. And they say this is the first platform where Vertus can be traded for ton. So you can swap, sell, and buy Vertus on the Vertus app. That is amazing. So that is the update. Now let's check our Vertus allocation. There's a listing on the centralized is scheduled to take place on January 12th. If you're here to subscribe to this channel, please subscribe, like, and share. And also join my WhatsApp group where I share first-hand information. Now let's go to the Vertus app. Now let me collect the Vertus reward. How do you check your Vertus allocation? Click over to this section. Click over to this place, the Vertus balance. Tap on it. Okay. The total Vertus I had is 4,042 Vertus, and the available token is 98.32 and all about. But the withdrawal tokens, the one that I'll be able to withdraw is this particular one, 63.90. So this is what I have. It seems you are going to be withdrawing it gradual by gradual. I don't understand yet, but this is what I have here. And the only thing I can withdraw at the moment when the centralized exchange is available, 63.9. And this 63.9 is what I have that I can withdraw. Now, another thing to consider is now this place they say complete tasks. Complete all tasks to receive your tokens. So you need to make sure you complete the tasks to receive your token. Let's click over to this section. Complete the task. Okay, the first one is to follow them on. The first one is to follow them on Telegram. You follow them on S. You complete all sponsored missions. And you make turn transaction worth any value. Make one turn transaction worth any value. So these 4 criteria are what will enable you to withdraw that your allocation you are seeing over there. Now let's check it one after the other. Click on follow them on Telegram. I have followed them. Good. I follow them here. Click on follow them on S. I think I've also followed them on S. But let's check. I have followed them on S before, so no need wasting my time. Click on complete all sponsored mission. Mission not complete. So I need to go back to missions to complete this one. Then to make turn transaction, click turn transaction not completed. So how am I going to do this? Let's go to the complete all sponsored mission. As you can see, the exchanges and the custodial wallet is still locked, so it's going to open on the listing there according to them. Click over to the storage. Let's go to the missions. Click over to this storage. Over here you can see mission. You can see missions. Tap on it. They say you have to complete all the sponsored mission. And where are all the sponsored this mission? This one I need to complete it. You see, look at the sponsored mission. Sponsors, all these ones, they are the sponsor, all the missions here, and the turn transaction. They say make at least turn transaction worth any value. And before you make any turn transaction, you need to ask yourself the amount of Vertus allocation you have does it worth the turn transaction, to not just go and waste your money. So make sure that you have enough allocation before going for the turn transaction. Like this 68 that I have. Vertus, what if Vertus pre-market price is 0.003 and I have 68? What 68 is close to, is, let me say, $2. Well, even if it will reach $2, and I still need to buy turn to do the transaction. So I don't think it's worth spending money. But if you have enough allocation, like I said, you can go ahead and do it. It's your choice. So that is it. Go now and check your allocation and tell me in the comment section. And if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys, and see you guys in my next video.